Alright guys, what's going on? Working on the F-250 project. We're going to try to get the interior back together in this episode, so y'all stay tuned and enjoy. We're going to get to it. So, got my radio put in. I didn't do a video on that, sorry guys, but so basically I had my buddy Matt run all new speaker wire, put my Fosgates in, all my Fosgate speakers put in, got all my Dynamat down, got my wires cleaned up, got all the wires ran along the channel. Any wires that I had to run across the floor, I got them all foil taped down so they're nice and clean. I mean, you can't really even see some of the wires I ran. So those are my seatbelt connectors. Make sure I buckle my seatbelt. All my amp wiring kind of just taped back there chilling until amp gets installed. So yeah, we're pretty much ready to put the carpet in. Got my Bluetooth microphone up there on the sun visor. So should be pretty good to roll. I'm gonna start installing the carpet. Like I said, it's still a factory carpet. I'm gonna start putting that in and keep you guys posted on it. So appreciate it, and I'll do a video once I get some of the carpet and stuff put in. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so just got the carpet installed back in here. I don't have it all screwed down yet because I still gotta put the seatbelt anchors back in. But just wanted to do a quick clip on that. And then I'll probably run home and run to my house and grab my seats and stuff and bring them up here. So just wanted to plug in with no seats so you guys can see the carpet came out pretty clean for 30-year-old carpet. I know you guys are saying, well, carpet's not that much. Yeah, well, I know, but when you're trying to put together a truck and a house and you got a wife and a kid, you try to save as much as you can. So looks pretty good. So we'll head to the house, get the seats, and continue on this interior install. Alright guys, so here she is. Got all the interior done. Hope y'all enjoy this. I'm super pumped, man. It's so nice having interior back in my truck after 18 months. So I was able to save all the carpet. Had it all cleaned. So I get it shampooed one more time now that it's in the truck, so it's easier to work with. All my seats are clean you saw that in the previous video. My back seat in, so it's looking pretty good. So now I'm down to got door panels, cowl, got my tail lights in. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I shot a picture up with the new tail lights. I actually got these on Amazon. Everybody had really good reviews on them as far as fitment and stuff, so I really wanted to get some from CP Addicts, but you know, budget's everything right now, so I got those. I think I picked them up to like 35 bucks shipped, so look a heck of a lot nicer than the old taillights that were in here. So I gotta put all my door panels back on. I don't have my sills back in yet because I gotta put my steps back on and they bolt in. I just want to make sure they don't hit any of the wiring right there. Yep, so she's looking nice. There's my headliner. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, everything's soundproofed. I still gotta put my carpet back against this back wall, but everything's soundproofed in the cab. Hopefully that will help with road noise and stuff. my seat belts back in. The craziest thing about trying to do a project that you haven't worked on in 18 months is trying to remember all your dang bolts. So my bolts for my seat belts right there, I thought I lost them, and they were still stuck in the seat belts from 18 months ago, so that was pretty sweet. So got my front done. So yeah, you guys saw in the previous videos, ran everything underneath the carpet. It looks all nice. So yeah, man, I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, I got my radio back in it, and now I can start cleaning up the interior. You guys follow me on the last video when I cleaned up these seats. So I cleaned the center console lid. It's a little dusty right now, but came out pretty good. So if y'all are just checking in, this is my 97 F250 project. Appreciate y'all's support on it. Getting a ton of likes on it and everything. If I can help you guys out at all, just let me know. I'm Jason with Ant Auto Addiction. Let me know what you guys think of the truck. So we still got a while to go. Still got to put the engine and stuff back in it. Did the radiator support on the last video. So we're getting there, but slow progress. Just trying to pound away at it. So that's about it for this video. At the end of this video, I'm gonna put a sweet single cab short bed. It's a box Chevy. So yeah, it's a Chevy, but it's freaking sweet. It's got an LS3 in it. I'll do a video at the end of this one so you guys can check that out. But y'all please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to that 1K mark. And appreciate everybody's support, and I'll keep you guys updated on the F250. Super pumped about the way the interior came out. Hope you guys like it. Comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think it looks like, and also let me know if you're gonna go to Daytona Truck Meet. Hopefully I'll be able to get some wheels on it. I gotta do some other stuff, but man, we're getting there. So appreciate everybody. Y'all have a great weekend. Enjoy your time. So see you guys on the next video. Peace.